is basically a giant Android phone. A couple things that are the same for it. If you want to come back to your home, you would click on this button here. If you want to see what things have been opened recently, you can scroll through, and just like a phone, you can see what is up and has been running. Back button goes back. You also can slide down from the top. Right now I am doing a screen recording, so that's why this is showing up here. The other thing that you need to know about this is the input source. If you don't have the remote and you need to change the input, you can click here. The input I have currently, my computer hooked to HDMI 2. The OPS is the actual Windows computer that is hooked to this Viewboard. I will show you a little bit more about that later. And you can definitely change some of the backlight settings. You can change some of the volume that is there, and some display settings. So if you wanted to switch to your computer, you would click on HDMI 2 or whatever you have your computer plugged. If you want to go to the main computer, you would click there. Viewboard, if you go to these different settings, you can see some different apps that are coming up. If you want to go back, you have to use the actual home button or slide down from the top. Settings that you absolutely need to change. If you go into the settings within the apps, just like I did, if you click on sound, there are two things you need to click on here. Default sound notification. You need to come and turn that off. Every once in a while you get a loud ding when you switch something in there. This will turn the display, the default notification sounds off. And your screen locking sounds you need to have off, and touch sounds have off. Default alarm sound also, if you switch it to none, then that will also turn off any of those really annoying sounds that happens as well. So those are just a couple things to start off with your Viewboard and what you can do with it to make it a little bit more